In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a FIRESTORE database in Firebase. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to click on any of your projects inside of your console. So I'm going to click on this one, for example, over here. Then you want to go to the left and you can find databases and storage. You want to hover over it, and here under NoSQL, it says FIRESTORE. So to create a FIRESTORE database, you want to first click on over here. Then you have to wait for a few seconds for this page to load. So usually that's quite quick. And then, of course, here you'll be able to basically create it. So as you can see, it says create database, Cloud Firestore, and then there we go. You can go and select it. So you can select the edition. You have the standard or enterprise. I'm going to use standard right now, and I'm going to click on next. Then you have to select your database ID and location. I'm going to select location of United States over here. And of course, you can go and, as you can see here, you can't change it. So you must know whatever you're selecting right now can't be changed. Then click on next. And then from here, you can start either in production or test mode. I'm going to do production and click on create. Now, whenever you do this, it's going to start setting up security roles and stuff like this. And there we go. That's all you have to do to basically create a FIRESTORE database in Firebase. Okay. Now in here, of course, you have your data, your rules, indexes, etc. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.